Look at this. This church in Kansas City, Kansas is cleaning up after the damage its steeple experienced. That steeple toppled over in last night's storm. You can see part of the roof is now covered with the steeple gone. The KSHB 41 weather team says winds reached 69 miles per hour in the area of that same
That
church.
is a powerful image there. KSHB 41 reporter Abby Dodge shares the reaction as the congregation searches for ways to return the steeple back atop the church.
Yeah, that's something, isn't it? Fiberglass, yeah.
Don Ash is an elder at Maywood Community Church. He's been part of the congregation for more than 30 years and one of the first calls after winds toppled the church's steeple.
It's sort of a beacon on the hill to say, hey, we're here, and this is a place you can come, find help or find rest. I thought, wow, that's pretty spectacular.
Showing us images of the steeple hanging off the roof.
And then some debris, laying out. For what we have here, we'll consider ourselves pretty fortunate in comparison to some of those situations.
Knowing some are without power for the second time this month, Maywood still able to light their way to restoration.
We started a dehumidifier and a fan.
Inside the church, stained ceilings tell the story of the last 24 hours. Buckets placed to catch any remaining rain.
Wham, it hit pretty hard right here.
But Ash has peace knowing in every storm their people have been unharmed.
God is good all the time, and he watches out over us, and takes care of us. And so that's been our experience here.
Praying it will continue to be the case. Abby Dodge, KSHB 41 News.